bags which I would carry for my Ladakh trip. This is around 4,000 or 5,000 kilometers on a single stretch. This is the first time I'm traveling to very long drive for Ladakh in motorcycle. I'm very much worried and afraid. Why I'm actually worried is like I'm really afraid of water and rain. Like because I have never driven my cycle for a very long time. 100 kilometers is max I have done. So this is the first time I'll be riding for a very long drive for Ladakh. So that is why I'm very much afraid of water, because I carry hell a lot of gadgets like Insta 360, 1R camera, DJI Osmo action camera, and a few other cameras which I'll be carrying. So it all costs around 1 lakh, more than 2 lakhs or something. So, and one more thing is like I'll be carrying a laptop, Apple laptop. I'm carrying a very huge amount of gadgets for video editing and video capturing. So which I carry is like normal thermal stuffs and few rain gears, rain liners and other things. And apart from that, I'll be carrying like a lot of electronic gadgets like cameras. I have around three cameras. So have a Rode wireless mic, this mic. I've never ride my motorcycle for more than 100 kilometers, and this is the first time I'm riding for more than 100 kilometers which is more than 100%. More or less it will be around 5,000 kilometers, and terrains are going to be really different, like a lot of good roads, bad roads, off roads, and a lot of things are going to come up. So I'm really worried about that. That's the reason I have decided to go for best in class bags. I have two hard pioneers like Royal Enfield Pioneers, and it is well known for its name. There I can carry my laptop and a few other electronic gadgets. That is the capacity of that. Apart from that, on the other pioneers I will be carrying some easy to pick up stuffs, thing which I'm not going to use it for until my destination. Those things will go inside the bags. In case of a rain, heavy rain, or drizzling rain or drifting rain, whatever it is, I don't want to pick up the camera, remove the camera and stop the bike and put it inside a pioneer or top box. I don't want to do all those stuffs, and immediately after a few 50 kilometers definitely it's not going to have the same situation. So I'll have to again I have to align all these things, set up all these things. So that is when I needed a few other bags. This is one bag which I got it from Trek and Ride. Okay, this is very good bag. As soon as I purchased it, when I was testing it, situation got really bad because it started raining heavily. Then that time I just left as it is, since there was nothing inside. Though they say it is water resistant but not waterproof, but completely it was waterproof because I didn't see any water went inside. This is one bag which I'll be mounting it on the handlebar. This has got a very good space here. Okay, and I can put my mobile here, and these are the two things. So I can mount it on the handlebar. This comes with the four straps. Okay, yes, it is solid. I'm not going to rely on this completely. This is also has an headphone out. Back quality is really nice, very good quality. So it's got some plastic here. Whenever there is a rain, I can remove all the DJI Osmo action camera. That is my helmet camera. I can remove that in case of a small rain, drizzling, drifting, all these rains. I'll be removing that, and I can put it here, or else a between bag. I'll show you. I also have a between bag, which is a handlebar bag again, but I have mounted it on the Himalayan tank guard so that it will be easy. And I also have one more bag. I'll show you. That is a golden rider bag. That is a cute little bag. I'll show you that. I have also purchased an Rynox bag, which is an Expedition series. Rynox Expedition series is 100% waterproof. So I have purchased one Rynox Expedition series tail bag, and then two Rynox Expedition series dry bag, one Trek and Ride handlebar bag, and then one between handlebar bag, and then one golden rider tank bag. Okay, the reason why I didn't go for a very big Rynox tank bag is it is so huge. For 1,000 kilometers I'll be filling up petrol at least thrice or twice. I have to take the tank bag and then put all these things, and the tank bag is like it is one big compartment, and other compartments are very small. actually we cannot sort out things. So the cameras are going to have very sensitive lenses, and I'll have to keep them safe in a separate place. That is why I have gone with this kind of small three bags, small bags. So then I can put all these things in a separate bag. And then I have a few cigarette light charger which can provide charge for my small action cam, as well as another Insta 360 cam, and few other things which I can charge. So I can put that charger and remove it whenever it is raining or something like that. So that is the reason I have gone for that bag. The charger wires, keep that in a separate bag. And the most important thing is, like, should be very easy to access, because if I am going to keep that in the panniers, I stop the bike, take the panniers and all these things. So if I keep it somewhere here, I can just leave it as it is, and there is not going to be a problem. So these are the reasons why I have purchased these small bags. So I don't care people saying like it is a pizza bike, I don't care people saying whatever they want, but my safety is my comfort. And now people will tell like very huge amount of luggage. I know what I'm carrying. I'm not going to carry everything which is available. I'm not going to shift my house from here to Ladakh, but I'm carrying things which are very much necessary. I'm carrying a lot of bags only to safely commute from this place to that place. Okay, in case if possible, I will post what all the things I am carrying for this Ladakh trip. But now in this video we will see what all the accessories or luggage system which I have done in this Himalayan. Come on guys, let's see unboxing and quality of the bags. Okay.